Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for estimates. First, navigate to the Customer's menu and select Create Estimates. Choose your customer, then add the products or services you'll provide, along with their quantities and rates. QuickBooks automatically calculates the totals. Once everything looks correct, you can save the estimate or send it directly to your client via email. This process ensures clear communication and professional proposals. Personalizing your estimates helps maintain a professional image. You can easily customize templates by adding your company logo, changing fonts, and adjusting the layout to reflect your brand. For unique projects, add custom fields to include specific details like project phases or special instructions. Remember to review and adjust pricing or quantities as needed to ensure your quotes are always precise and competitive. Efficiently managing your estimates is crucial for business growth. Once an estimate is accepted, QuickBooks allows you to convert it into an invoice with just a few clicks, saving you time and reducing errors. You can also track the status of all your estimates, seeing which are pending, accepted, or closed. Utilize the built-in reports to gain insights into your sales pipeline and forecast future revenue. For larger projects, consider using progress invoicing, which allows you to bill clients in stages based on project completion. This helps manage cash flow and ensures you're paid as work progresses. Also, integrate your estimates with other QuickBooks features like job costing to get a comprehensive view of project profitability. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. These advanced strategies will help you maximize your QuickBooks experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.